Welcome to the Weather Centre on Friday, where we can expect clearer and warmer weather as we head towards the weekend, especially after 2 wintry days over the central and northeastern parts and a chilly start of the day for the Highvelds. We're still expecting a few showers and thundershowers over the northern and northeastern interior, partly cloudy and dry as we head towards the coast, with a sunny end to the work week over the western and southern part of South Africa. Berg winds result in a hot day in the west, and overall we're expecting a warming trend as we head towards the weekend. It'll also be a windy day over the northwestern part of South Africa, with a high fire danger warning over parts of the northern and western Cape. Our rainfall probability map shows a 40% chance of thundershowers and showers extending through to parts of the northern Cape and the northwest, with a slight possibility of showers as we head further south, as well as over the northeastern interior, brushing over the southwestern part of Gauteng. Maximum temperatures peak in the low 20s for Gauteng and the northwest on Friday afternoon. Still cool for Ermelo at 18 degrees, 23 for Bombela and 26 as we head towards Phalaborwa. You'll see a mild Friday over the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal with highs in the low 20s. Cool for Bethlehem, just shy of 20 degrees, and we head into the mid-20s for Grahamstown, Bishu and Umtata. Northeasterly winds are forecast along the east coast with fresh winds for East London and Port Elizabeth. Light winds are expected as we head towards KwaZulu-Natal with a 2-metre southerly swell along the east coast. You'll see temperatures warming up as we head further west, 27 for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, with highs in the upper 20s and low 30s over the interior part of the Western Cape, Vredendal topping a sizzling 37. We're forecasting a warm day along the coastline with a high of 27 for Muizenberg and a light south-southwesterly wind. You'll see a predominantly easterly component to the wind between Jeffreys Bay and Cape Agulhas, with strong winds for Cape Agulhas and a 2-metre southwesterly swell along the south coast. Mild over the eastern part of the northern Cape, warm for Uppington at 27 and hot over the western parts, sizzling hot as we head towards the west coast, Alexander Bay at 35 with a moderate northeasterly wind. We're expecting a southwesterly wind for Cape Town and Longabon with wind speeds of between 10 and 15 kilometres per hour, both in the low 30s. More of an easterly wind for Lambert's Bay and a 1-metre southwesterly swell along the west coast. Things stay hot in the west as we head into Saturday with some high cloud over the southern part of South Africa. A bit of rain is still in the forecast for Bombela, and overall you'll see a generally warmer day in the forecast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.